In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can make $100 per day with simple video editing. Now, included in this video is going to be from the hardest to the easiest way, so make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can make $100 per day with video editing. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to members.alstongodbolt.com for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Now, the cool thing with video editing is it's a specialized learning skill that not a lot of people have access to, and so it can be a great way to make money online. And so, as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you from the hardest way to make $100 per day to potentially the easiest way that you can make $100 per day with video editing. Now, some of these ways are going to be active and a lot of these ways are going to be passive, so make sure you watch this entire video. Now, the first way I think most people know and understand is simply by freelancing. Now, with freelancing, you are going to go out and find clients. You can use a website like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and you're simply going to work with clients to provide basic video edits. Now, the cool thing with video editing is it's gained popularity since people start talking about YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow channels, and so they're coming to a website like Fiverr and they're hiring video editors. Now, the only drawback to this method is that you have to do active work. You have to go out and find clients. And if you're going to do this method, I recommend that you go up to the top here and you look for custom orders or buyer requests. As you can see here, it says buyer requests, but you can potentially start making money as a freelancer. This is going to be a way where you are earning what's called active income, where you only get paid when you have a client. And so as you can see here, I just typed in video editing and there's over 36,000 services available. So it's incredibly competitive. That's why I say it's going to be the hardest. The next way is actually with starting a blog. Now, you can start a blog in all sorts of stuff, including basic video editing. You could be a blogger about Premiere Pro or some of the other video editing softwares, maybe ScreenFlow like I'm using, and you can teach people different skills, tips, and tricks. Now, you can actually make money in a variety of ways with being a blogger. You can make money by having ads that are placed throughout the blog post. You can actually sell your own physical and digital products, or you can even be an affiliate marketer where you recommend different software for people that want to start video editing. For example, you could be an affiliate for ScreenFlow. There's all sorts of Adobe Premiere Pro. There's all sorts of affiliate programs for video editing where you can make money. Now, what you would need to do is you would need to go out and figure out what your customers are asking. And one way to do it is to use a software like Ahrefs. Now, what I did is I took a look at this website here with Ahrefs. It's called the DIY Video Editor, and they're getting about 2,000 visitors per month. And you could turn those 2,000 visitors into paying customers if you offer some sort of additional service. As I mentioned, maybe software to help them be an affiliate, sell your own software, and just placing ads. Now, it doesn't look like this blog actually has ads on their website, and so they're missing out on an opportunity. They could also do something like a Patreon where they're offering exclusive or additional access, but you can see starting a blog or website is a really cool opportunity. The next way that you can make money is simply with starting a YouTube channel. Now, this is one of my favorite YouTube channels, and this person reveals different tips, tricks, and tactics for Premiere Pro in less than a minute or two. They have hundreds of videos at this point, and you could do this too. Now, if we jump over to this tool called Social Blade, it estimates how much YouTubers are making. It says that this channel is making $4,000 per month. Now, I would assume they're actually making a little bit more than that, but that's a pretty conservative estimate. And the cool thing about this process is these videos are less than 5 minutes long. He's getting paid by the YouTube Partner Program. If he wanted to, he could be an affiliate for Adobe or any other video editing software out there and make money, and it's all passive. So he just creates the video once and it's getting views 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And so it's like putting up little pieces of real estate that sit on the internet forever. And as long as he keeps them up, he has the opportunity to get paid. As you can see, he has over 221,000 subscribers, and people are watching these videos 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This most recent video that was uploaded about a week ago has over 3,000 views from a week ago. So this could be a really good opportunity. And once again, there are tons of options where he can make money with the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, selling his own course, but he could actually package all of these different trainings up together and sell them as a course and make money. He could start a Patreon. There's just a lot of opportunities. He could also sell customized logo wear and clothing with print on demand. So there's just a lot of opportunities with the YouTube Partner Program. And my fourth and final way, Potentially the best way to make money is by selling an online course. Now, if we take a look at this, over here on Udemy, there are tons of online courses out there. There's 9,000 results for video editing. If we take a look at this top result here, Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass, there are over 415,000 students. Now, it says $9.99 here, but most likely the course was sold for $9.99. That's just kind of how Udemy works. If we did the math here, if we did 415, we're just going to round this down to 415,000, and we multiply that by $9.99, that's over $4 million that this course is brought in. Now, this person doesn't get the whole $4 million. He probably gets up to 50% of that. So let's assume that he earned $2 million, which is still a pretty good amount of money simply by creating courses. Now, what he can do is he can create multiple courses for a Premiere Pro and ScreenFlow and all of the other video editing softwares out there and make even more money. Now, if we scroll down, I'm sure he has multiple courses that for different editing software, but this could be a really good opportunity, and he could put this exact same course on multiple online course offerings. And he could even sell this course himself if he wanted to, market this on Facebook or YouTube, and you could really combine this method with the other methods that I've mentioned. For example, if he wanted to sell this course himself, he could create YouTube videos and then say, hey, look, if you want a more in-depth training on Adobe Premiere Pro, then click the link in the description. The link goes to the course that he's selling. He could sell the course for $49.99 and potentially make even more money. So let's just take a quick recap from least profitable to most profitable. Least profitable is going to be freelancing sites because there's heavy competition and it's active. You're only going to make money when you are doing work. The next least profitable is blogging. It's only least profitable because it's really competitive. You're going to have to write a lot of blog posts in order to start ranking. Now, you can niche down and talk about individual video editing software. That's probably going to be your best way to go. The next most profitable way is with YouTube, and you're going to get paid with the YouTube Partner Program and any additional revenue streams that you create. I think this is the second most profitable because you are going to be splitting revenue with YouTube, and you can actually include other income streams within the description. And as I mentioned, the most profitable, in my opinion, is with selling courses. Now, you want to sell the course yourself so that you can make even more money. But as I showed you, $2 million isn't that bad of take-home pay, and it's passive because he creates the course once and he doesn't have to do anything again. Now, what he should do, and I'm pretty sure that he's doing it, is he's updating the course with new information, and that's going to keep people coming back. Now that you know 4 different ways to make money online video editing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.